Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful vintage farmhouse style cottage decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage farmhouse style cottage decoration is a warm, nostalgic decorating style that blends old world farmhouse charm with the cozy intimacy of a cottage. It celebrates age, imperfection, and simplicity, creating a home that feels lived in, comforting, and timeless. Because you love vintage counters and farmhouse decor, this style fits your taste beautifully. Vintage farmhouse cottage decor feels cozy and peaceful, romantic yet practical, rustic but soft, nostalgic and timeless. It is the kind of home that invites you to settle down, enjoy tea by the window, and feel at ease. The soul of vintage farmhouse cottage style. This style is not just about decor, it is about emotion and memory. It blends farmhouse practicality, use simple and useful pictures. Cottage softness for romance, comfort, and charm. Vintage character, age, history, and imperfections. The result is a home that feels warm, collected, and gently nostalgic. Furniture philosophy. Vintage farmhouse cottage furniture should look like it has lived a life. Key characteristics: use solid wood with visible grain, hand painted or naturally owned finishes, charm legs, curved backs, simple carvings, slightly mismatched pitches, never match everything. Best examples: farm tables with ace tops, painted dressers used as storage or vanities, wooden bench in a state of modern sofas, open shelving in a state of heavy cabinets. Imperfection is beauty in this style. Color theory in depth. Colors should feel sun-faded and gentle, never harsh. Base colors use warm white, antique cream, oatmeal, use soft stone gray, and pale teacup. Accent colors: shells, olive, eucalyptus green. Use dark egg blue, powder blue. Use muted rose, lavender, and butter yellow. Avoid bright or glossy colors. Everything should feel softened by time. Textiles and fabrics. Cottage softness. Textiles are what give the farmhouse its cottagette. Use linen curtains that move with the breeze. Floral, choil, or block print patterns. Use hand crocheted doilies and throws. Layered rugs. Think jute plus fitted floral rugs. Beds and settings should always look inviting and slightly rumpled, never stiff. Decorative styling rules. Vintage farmhouse cottage decor follows these principles. Decorate in small, meaningful groupings. Mix old and older, never shiny new. Leave breathing space. Don't overcrowd. Function first, beauty second. Styling ideas. Stack the old books with a candle on top. Use enamel bowls for fruit or bread. Hang aprons, baskets, or dry tarps. Display everyday items as decor. Wall treatments and architectural details. Walls should feel soft and aged. Use shiplap, paintwood, or wood paneling. Lime wash or chalk painted finishes. Use vintage wallpaper with faded florals. Wooden picture frames, never plastic. If walls are plain, add warm through art, mirrors, or shelving. Lighting for warm and gentle. Lighting must feel golden and cozy. Best choices: use fabric or plated lampshades, lantern style pendants. Use iron or ceramic bases, soft yellow bulbs. Never white, blue light. Natural light is big part of the charm. Use shade curtains. Seasonal styling. This style changes gently with the seasons. Spring use fresh flowers, floral linens. Summer use light fabrics and open windows. For autumn, use stretch wheat, warm throws. For winter, candles, quilts, and cozy textures. Nothing dramatic, just subtle shifts. A vintage farmhouse cottage home should feel peaceful, solo, and grounding. Loved, not perfect. Collected over time, comforting in every corner. The lifestyle behind the style. Vintage farmhouse cottage decor reflects a slow, simple country lifestyle. Homes are practical, not decorated for show. Items are reused, repaired, and treasures. Beauty came from everyday life for cooking, sewing, and gardening. This is why the style feels so comforting and honest. Antique windows has vintage look. True windows. Real antiques are old items. 2 to 100 years old. Natural wear, uneven paint, soft patina. Heavier, solid materials. Windows inspired new pieces with distressed finishes. Reproduction with farmhouse details. Works beautifully when mixed carefully. The best homes mix both real vintage for soul and inspired pieces for comfort. Wood finishes and paint techniques. Wood is the heart of the style. Popular finishes white washed or lime washed wood, chalk paint and soft muted colors, naturally aged raw or lightly stained wood. Paint should look brushed by hand, not sprayed. Chipped edges and worn corners are welcome. Storage as decoration in vintage farmhouse cottages. Storage is always visible and beautiful. Use open shelves instead of closed cabinets. Glass jars for grains, spices, tea. Open baskets for linens and product. Wooden crates for books or shoes. Everything feels useful and decorative at the same time. Pattern mixing. Patterns should feel gentle and collected. Common patterns, small florals, checking stripes, income checks, grain sack prints. Rule. Keep patterns soft and faded. Mix patterns in similar color families. Balance with solid neutral fabrics. Kitchen and dining details. The kitchen is the heart of a farmhouse cottage. Key elements: wooden countertops or worker blocks, enamel cookware displayed openly, hanging utensils and cutting boards, with windows, skills, bread boxes, and pictures. Dining areas feel casual with mismatched chairs and linen tablecloths. Bedroom atmosphere. Bedroom should feel romantic and restful. Use iron or painted wooden beds. Layered bedding, sheets plus quads plus straws. Use floral or lace curtains. Antique bedside tables. Nothing should look stiff or hotel-like. Handmade and imperfect details. Handmade items bring soul. Use crochet, embroidery, and patchwork. Hand-thrown pottery. Use handwritten labels or signs. These pieces add warmth and personality that a store-bought decor cannot. Common mistakes to avoid: too much modern furniture, shiny metals or glossy finishes, perfect matching sets, over-decorating every surface, stack black and white color schemes. This style should feel soft, warm, and lived in. A windows farmhouse cottage home should feel like a place where time slows down, a home filled with memories. Comfort comes before trends. Every item has a reason to be there. The feeling of flow and balance. A true vintage farmhouse cottage home feels connected room to room. Colors softly repeat throughout the house. Odd tones stay within the same warm family. Furniture sizes feel modest and human scaled. Nothing feels oversized or heavy. This creates a gentle, calming flow, like walking through an old countryside home. Furniture, scale, and placement often overlooked. Cottage farmhouse furniture should feel cozy, not cramped. Lower backed sofas and chairs use slim tables instead of bulky ones. Furniture pulled slightly away from walls. Clear walking paths, never crowded. Rooms should feel easy to move through, not styled like a showroom. Wall styling the vintage way. Walls are layered slowly, not built all at once. Gallery walls with mismatched frames, old mirrors with own glass, use botanical scales, landscapes, handwritten art. Also use hanging plates, baskets, or tripod. Leave some wall space empty. It adds charm and breathing room. Botanical elements. Nature is always present in this style. Use fresh garden flowers in simple jars, jade lavender, wheat, and eucalyptus. Use potted herbs in the kitchen. Fox greenery only if very realistic. Avoid bold, tropical plants. Stick to countryside varieties. The power of scent and sound. Vintage from past cottage decor is not only visual. Use beeswax or soy candles. Use lavender, linen, vanilla, or herbal scents. Use ticking clocks, crackling sound. The sensory details make the home feel truly lived in. Subtle rustic touches. Rustic elements should be quiet, not rough. Lightly distressed wood, a touch of iron or aged brass, handmade pottery with irregular shapes. Too much roughness makes it look industrial, not cottage. How time shapes the look. The most beautiful farmhouse cottages turn slowly over years, add pieces with meaning, remove items that no longer feel useful. This style is about evolving, not finishing. Emotional outcome. A well-done vintage farmhouse cottage homes feel gentle and nurturing, calm and grounding, warm not trendy, personal and soulful. It is welcomes family, rest, creativity, and everyday joy. Historical roots and inspiration. Vintage farmhouse cottage decor is inspired by old European countryside homes, English, French, and Scandinavian. Early rural American farmhouses, traditional vintage cottages where function came first. Homes are shaped by climate, materials, and daily life, not trends. This is why the style still feels comforting today. Craftsmanship over perfection. True farmhouse cottage style values handmade craftsmanship. Look for hand-turned table legs, hand-carved details, visible brush strokes in paint, uneven glaze in pottery. These small imperfections bring authenticity and warmth. Again, techniques that feel real to achieve an authentic vintage look, like distressing only where hands naturally touch, soft sanding on edged corners and handles. Use gentle colors layering. Watch over old method colors underneath. Avoid harsh distressing. It should look naturally or not forced. Everyday objects as treasures in farmhouse cottages, ordinary items become takers. Examples: wooden spoons displayed in jars, linen towels hanging openly, sold keys, ledgers, recipe card frames. Trade boards used as well add this creator's emotional depth and storytelling. Cottage style softness vs farmhouse structure. Think of the style as a balance. Farmhouse equals structure, simplicity, and utility. Cottage equals softness, romance, and comfort. Too much farmhouse feels cold. Too much cottage feels cluttered. The magic is in the balance. Texture is more important than color. Even neutral rooms feel rich when textures are layered. Rough wood plus soft linen. Use smooth ceramics plus oven baskets. Also use iron accents plus rural fabric. Texture keeps the space interesting without overwhelming it. How to make it personal, most important. A real windows from house cottage includes family heirlooms, handmade items, pieces collected during travel, items with memories. Without personal history, the style feels empty. Timeless over trends. This style ignores fast trends. No bold statement furniture, no shiny finishes, no dramatic contrast. Instead, it evolves slowly and gracefully. When done correctly, windows from house cottage decor feels like stepping into a beautiful past, comforting and familiar, warm and nurturing, effortless and not styled. Why this style feels so comforting? Physiologically, this style reduces visual stress, feels familiar and safe, encourages solar living, supports emotional well being. It is why people instantly relax in these spaces. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.